to be inspired and to discover the extraordinary that lies hidden in every corner of our planet. Let us begin our adventure. Our journey begins in the North Atlantic, amidst the rugged beauty of the Faroe Islands. This archipelago, a jewel of the Danish realm, rises from the ocean like something out of a Norse legend. Verdant cliffs, sculpted by centuries of wind and wave, plunge dramatically into the churning sea below. Waterfalls cascade from dizzying heights, their misty veils creating an ethereal atmosphere. Scattered amongst these dramatic landscapes are tiny villages, their brightly colored houses a stark contrast to the surrounding greens and blues. Here life moves at a different pace, dictated by the rhythms of nature. One of the most remarkable sights in the Faroe Islands is Lake Sorvagsvatn, a body of water seemingly suspended above the ocean. This optical illusion created by the surrounding cliffs is a testament to the surreal beauty of this place. And then there's Mulafossa Waterfall, a cascade that plunges directly into the Atlantic, creating a scene of raw power and beauty. But the Faroe Islands are more than just stunning landscapes. They're a place of rich culture and history, where ancient traditions live on in the hearts of the people. Imagine yourself hiking through rolling hills, the salty air filling your lungs as you stumble upon a traditional Faroese village. The Faroe Islands are a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. From the rugged landscapes of the Faroe Islands, we travel south to the sun-drenched region of Basilicata in southern Italy. Here lies Matera, a city steeped in history and architectural wonder. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Matera is one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements in the world. The city's most striking feature is its sassi, cave dwellings carved into limestone cliffs. These ancient homes were once inhabited by shepherds and farmers. Walking through the narrow, winding streets of the Sassi is like stepping back in time. The air is thick with history, broken only by the echo of your footsteps. Discover hidden churches adorned with ancient frescoes. As the sun sets, Matera takes on a magical quality. The stone buildings glow with a warm golden light, and the air fills with laughter and conversation. Matera is a vibrant mix of old and new, where ancient traditions blend with modern life. Matera is a city that will stay with you long after you've left its ancient streets. Our journey now takes us to the arid deserts of Peru, where amidst towering sand dunes and beneath a blazing sun lies a hidden oasis, Huacachina. This village, a mirage shimmering in the heat, is a testament to nature's ability to surprise and delight. Imagine a place where towering dunes, sculpted by the wind into graceful curves, stretch as far as the eye can see. The sand, a rich golden hue, shimmers under the intense desert sun, and nestled amongst these dunes, a splash of emerald green, the oasis of Huacachina. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their fronds casting welcome shade from the heat. A tranquil lagoon, its waters reflecting the azure sky, lies at the heart of the oasis, inviting you to cool off from the desert heat. Huacachina is a haven for adventure seekers and those seeking respite from the ordinary. Here you can experience the thrill of sandboarding, gliding down the dunes at exhilarating speeds. Feel the wind whipping past you as you carve your way down the slopes, the vast desert stretching out before you. As the day draws to a close, prepare to witness one of nature's most spectacular shows, a desert sunset. Huacachina is a place to challenge yourself, to escape the ordinary, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. From the deserts of South America, we journey to the Adriatic coast, where lies the enchanting town of Kotor, Montenegro. Ancient stone walls encircle a charming town, with terracotta roofs contrasting the deep blue bay. Kotor, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, feels like a fairy tale. Kotor Bay, Europe's southernmost fjord, is breathtaking. Towering mountains plunge into crystal-clear waters. Tiny islands dot the bay, adding enchantment. Inside the ancient walls, time stands still. Cobblestone streets wind through the town, lined with cafes, restaurants, and local shops. The air is filled with the scent of freshly baked bread. Hike to the San Giovanni Fortress for stunning views. As the sun sets, the town glows warmly. Watch the sky transform into vibrant colors. Kotor is a place of beauty, history, and hospitality. Our journey now takes us to the heart of the American Southwest, to a place where nature's creativity knows no bounds. Goblin Valley State Park in Utah. Prepare to be transported to a world unlike any other, a landscape so bizarre and otherworldly that it feels like stepping onto another planet. Imagine a vast expanse of desert baked by the sun and sculpted by wind and water into a surreal masterpiece. And rising from this desert floor, a gathering of strange and wonderful creatures, the goblins. These sandstone formations, eroded over millennia into whimsical shapes, are the stars of this geological show. Some goblins stand tall and slender, their forms resembling petrified giants frozen in mid-stride. Others huddle together in groups, their rounded shapes and mischievous expressions evoking images of playful sprites. As you wander through this fantastical landscape, let your imagination run wild. The goblins, with their smooth, reddish-brown surfaces, seem to glow in the warm desert light. The silence is profound, broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the canyons and the occasional chirp of a lizard darting between rocks. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valley, the goblins take on an even more magical quality. Goblin Valley is a place where you can reconnect with nature, let your imagination soar, and experience the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. From the otherworldly landscapes of Utah, we journey across the Pacific to the tropical paradise of the Philippines. Here, amidst the turquoise waters of the Sulu Sea, lies Sibaltan, a hidden gem on the island of Palawan. Imagine pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush jungles teeming with life. This is Sibaltan, a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. Sibaltan is home to secluded lagoons with vibrant coral reefs. Paddle through tranquil waters surrounded by limestone cliffs. Dive beneath the surface and enter a world of wonder. Colorful coral reefs teem with life while sea turtles glide gracefully. As the sun sets, find a secluded spot and witness a sunset unlike any other. Sibaltan is a place to reconnect with nature and create lasting memories. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Europe, to a region renowned for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming villages. Here in the Alsace region of France lies Colmar, a town so picturesque that it feels like it's been plucked straight from the pages of a storybook. Imagine a place where canals lined with colorful, half-timbered houses wind their way through the town, their reflections shimmering in the water. Flowers cascade from window boxes, their vibrant hues adding to the fairy tale-like atmosphere. This is Colmar, a town that embodies the charm and romance of France. Colmar's nickname, Little Venice, is well-deserved. Take a boat ride along the canals and admire the beautiful architecture from a unique perspective. The gentle rocking of the boat, the sound of water lapping against the sides, and the sight of the colorful houses reflected in the water create an incredibly peaceful and romantic ambience. Step ashore and wander through the cobblestone streets lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops selling local delicacies. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread, pastries, and coffee, making it impossible to resist stopping for a treat. Colmar is also home to a rich history and culture. Colmar is a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings, indulge in the pleasures of French cuisine, and experience the magic of a bygone era. And so, our journey through 7 of the world's hidden gems comes to an end. From the rugged beauty of the Faroe Islands to the fairy tale charm of Colmar, we've explored destinations that offer something truly special, places where you can escape the ordinary and create memories that will last a lifetime. These hidden gems are a reminder that there's still so much of the world left to discover, so much beauty to behold, and so many adventures to be had. So pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on your own journey of discovery. The world is waiting to be explored. Which hidden gem will you uncover next? Your adventure